1974 Citroën 2 CV4. Price 16,750美元. Location Ohio. The 1974 Citroën to CV4 is not just a car. It is a rolling piece of French automotive history that still captures attention everywhere it goes. Finished in a striking yellow and black two-tone color combination, this legendary classic instantly stands out with its quirky personality and unmistakable silhouette. Designed to be affordable, practical, and incredibly reliable, the TCV became one of the most beloved European cars ever created. The upgraded 600cc air-cooled flat-twin engine gives this classic Citroën more spirit while keeping the lightweight charm that made the TCV famous across the world. Paired with a manual transmission, the driving experience feels raw, mechanical, and incredibly fun. Every shift, every vibration, and every sound reminds you that this car was built during a time when driving was simple and full of character. The black rollback canvas sunroof transforms every journey into an open-air adventure. Whether cruising through city streets or relaxing on a countryside road, this feature gives it to CV a completely unique atmosphere that modern cars simply cannot replicate. Combined with the iconic umbrella over the wheels, styling, and classic steel wheels wrapped in Michelin tires, this French icon delivers vintage charm from every angle. The interior remains beautifully minimalist and functional. Black hammock-style seats, Jaeger instrumentation, dual mirrors, and the famous flip-up front windows all preserve the original personality of the car. Everything inside feels authentic and purposeful, proving that simplicity can sometimes create the most memorable driving experience. This is not a luxury car built to impress with technology. It is a machine designed to make every drive feel special. The legendary Citroën suspension system is one of the biggest reasons why the 2CV became famous worldwide. Engineers famously designed it so the car could drive across a plowed field while carrying a basket of eggs without breaking a single one. That incredible engineering philosophy gave the TCV a smooth and comfortable ride unlike anything else from its era, making it one of the most unique classics ever built. The 1974 Citroën TCV4 represents freedom, creativity, and timeless automotive design. In a world full of modern vehicles that all look the same, this classic French machine continues to stand apart with personality that cannot be duplicated. For collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone searching for a truly unforgettable classic car, this charming Citroën is the perfect reminder that sometimes the simplest cars leave the biggest impression.